I'm Jocelyn, co-founder of LimeTree Lending in Denver, Colorado. This short video, less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can buy a home and receive money to fix it up, rehab it, repair it, upgrade it, whatever you would like to do. Now, we all know what going to buy a home feels like. It's a major purchase. You're afraid you're going to make a mistake. There's so much information out there. Where do you start? What are the different options? But more importantly, what's the best option for you based on your down payment, based on what kind of a market you're in, based on what your goals are? Now, if you haven't started looking, you may find when you do start looking that the houses that are perfect and priced right, they go very quickly, right? Especially when it's a seller's market, the inventory for houses can be tighter. And so that being said, we want to make sure that no matter what happens when you go out there to look for homes and what your goals are, that you are prepared by having different tools that you can use on the lending side so that you can get to the goal of getting into a home that suits you and meets your long-term goals. At LimeTree Lending, we offer all the different traditional loan programs. Your conventional loans, your government loans, FHA, VA, homes for investors, homes if you're buying a second home, USDA. We offer all the different programs, but we also provide other programs that most companies do not provide. We provide renovation loans on both your government as well as on your conventional loans. This means you have the option to include in new kitchen, new bathroom on either a government loan or on a conventional loan. Renovation loans work like this. First of all, traditional loans that are not renovation loans, they're all based off the purchase price. $300,000 down, you want to put 5% down payment. Your 5% is times your $300,000, and that's how you determine what your down payment is. If you're going to do a renovation loan, we first include the cost of the remodel, new kitchen, new bathroom. What is it you decided to do? New hardwood floors. Maybe you had to repair the roof. Maybe there were other repairs you needed to do. This is all included into the total amount. They include a contingency, which is just a buffer account in case the quotes are off. And then if you do not use the contingency account, of course that comes back to you. There are renovation fees that are rolled into the loan, which are $550. And then the total amount, this is what your down payment is based off of. This is an infographic we put together to show all your different minimum down payment options no matter what scenario you come at us with. So as you can see, if you do a renovation loan on a government program, the minimum down payment is 3.5%. If you do it on a conventional program, it's 5% if you're buying a primary residence. If you're going to do this as an investment property, you need 15% down. And yes, you can buy a home as an investment property and also do a renovation loan. LimeTree Lending is different from other mortgage companies in another very important way. We changed the business model of mortgage lending, which needed to be done, to be able to eliminate the traditional fees that you find when you go out there and shop other mortgage companies. To close a loan these days and to get a mortgage is very expensive. Appraisal fees alone can cost $700. Underwriting fees, $1,000. Processing fees, $500, $600. Credit report fees, administration fees, fees to lock in an interest rate. The list goes on and it can be a surprise. We have none of those fees. That being said, you're going to want to get a quote from us so you can see how we've done this without increasing interest rates so that you can see all of the big picture. What's your monthly payment? What are you going to spend? And then also know as you're out there looking for homes, you have the ability to switch your plan and know that you don't have to leave the mortgage company because we have all of the different options available to you. So what you'll want to do is get started. You'll want to go to limetreelending.com, click on Apply Online. We do provide same-day pre-approvals, and we are available evenings and weekends. And lastly, if you have a question, we're not just videos and websites. Please get in touch with us. We're happy to help. You can contact us at the information below. We look forward to working with you. We'll talk with you soon. Bye.